Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to give you an update on Karen Cleary, and that is the St. Mary woman that was in Boscobel that died trying to build her dream house. And the article says the St. Mary police have charged a man in relation to the recent stabbing and death of a Jamaican British woman in Boscobel in the parish. The accused 30-year-old Sheldon Hewitt, alias Troy of Boscobel, was slapped with murder charges last Friday. He is to appear before the St. Mary Parish Court on Tuesday, December 13th. The body of 44 Karen Cleary Brown, a beautician of the Paradise Edge in Boscobel and Pentonville Road address in London, England, was found in a shallow grave on Monday, December 3rd. The body had been wrapped in tarpaulin and was placed in a hole which had been covered with a layer of concrete and dirt. Post-mortem conducted on the British woman's body on Monday revealed that she had been stabbed several times before her body was buried on her Boscobel's property. Karen Cleary, who was born in Jamaica but had lived in England for 20 years, was building her dream home in Boscobel. She had returned to the island recently. It had been reported that Karen Cleary was last seen alive about 9 p.m. Sunday, November 25th. However, according to police, she was reported missing on November 27, 2018 by the suspect, who was both a mason and the caretaker at the premises. So the person that is alleged to be her killer was the one that actually reported her missing. How ironic. Police said on December 2nd, inconsistencies were detected in the missing persons report, causing detectives to widen and intensify their probe. This led investigators to carry out investigation at the woman's house, where her decomposing body was found in a shallow grave about 5:30 p.m. on Monday, December 3rd. Her death triggered an outcry from the president of the Jamaica Association for the Resettlement of Returning Residents, Percival Latouche, who argued Jamaicans overseas not to return home due to the string of crimes committed against members of the returning residents community. However, Minister of National Security Dr. Horace Chang, while condemning the recent murders of returnees, said most of the cases are a result of domestic violence. And I would have to disagree with the security minister. There are a lot of people that were killed by people that they hired to do work for them, and that is not categorized as domestic abuse or domestic disputes. But that's how they do, because they still want Jamaica to seem like the paradise, the vacation for everybody, where everybody is safe, and they don't want to acknowledge things and actually really put solutions and implement things to make it better. It is better for them to sweep it under the rug and act like it's nothing at this point. So what are your thoughts about Dr. Horace Chang saying that most of the crimes against returning residents are domestic disputes? And what do you think about the alleged caretaker and mason being charged for Karen Cleary murder? I'm happy that someone is charged. I'm happy that some justice is being served. What are your thoughts? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.